BAYHOST promotes academic exchange
between Bavaria
and countries
in Central, Eastern and Southeastern Europe.
We support over 30 Bavarian higher education institutions in their cooperation with around 20 partner countries in Central, Eastern and Southeastern Europe. The official launch of BAYHOST took place in 2005. Let us look back on 20 years of BAYHOST, supporting students and graduates from all partner countries.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum 20-jährigen Jubiläum des Bayerischen Hochschulzentrums für Mittel-, Ost- und Südosteuropa. Ich bin BAYHOST sehr dankbar, dass es mir ermöglicht wurde, mit einem Stipendium an der Otto-Friedrich-Universität Bamberg zu studieren. Das Studium in Bayern hat für mich den Pfad geebnet, heute an der Universitätsbibliothek der Eötvös-Loránd-Universität unter der Leitung von Frau Dr. Kulcsászló Ernőné Gombos Anna Mária als internationale Direktionsassistentin zu arbeiten. Für BAYHOST wünsche ich von Herzen weiterhin viel Erfolg, gutes Vorankommen und alles Gute. Vielen herzlichen Dank.
BAYHOST administers the one-year scholarship program of the Free State of Bavaria. Scholarships from the Free State of Bavaria for German language summer courses at Bavarian universities. Scholarships for Bavarian summer schools for students from Czechia. Annual weekend seminar for the one-year scholarship holders of the Free State of Bavaria. 13 welcome receptions for the one-year scholarship holders of the Free State of Bavaria. 8 alumni academies organized in cooperation with various Bavarian universities and supported by the German Academic Exchange Service with funding from the German Federal Foreign Office. 9 summer academies for German as a foreign language. Promoting regional competence in Central, Eastern and Southeastern Europe among Bavarian students.
Ich möchte BAYHOST für sein 20-jähriges Jubiläum recht herzlich gratulieren. Als Alumni der Mobilitätsbeihilfe sowie den Sprachkursen möchte ich mich recht herzlich bei BAYHOST bedanken. Die Sprachkurse fanden immer in einer sehr guten Atmosphäre statt und bei der Mobilitätsbeihilfe, sprich bei den Praktikas, habe ich immer viel dazugelernt. Ich bin froh, dass ich dieses tolle Angebot wahrnehmen konnte.
Summer school grants for language courses in Central, Eastern and Southeastern Europe. Scholarships for study and research stays in Czechia, Croatia, Hungary, Poland, Serbia and Slovakia. Field trips to Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia and Serbia. BAYHOST internship services. Mobility grants for internships in Central, Eastern and Southeastern Europe. Focus countries: Czechia. Founding of the Bavarian Czech Academic Agency BTHA in 2016. Scholarship and grant programs. Czech Bavarian conferences and forums. Delegations from and to Czechia. Summer schools and alumni workshops. Networking, cooperation, information. Ukraine. Since 2022, Coordination Office Ukraine, which bundles support and assistance offers for Ukrainian students and scientists.
Dear colleagues and friends at BAYHOST, on behalf of Ivan Franko National University of Lviv, I extend our congratulations on the occasion of your 20th anniversary. Over the years, BAYHOST has become a true bridge between Bavaria and Eastern Europe and Ukraine. On this remarkable anniversary, we wish BAYHOST prosperity, continued success, and many more impactful years ahead. With warmest regards from Lviv, Oksana Moldova.
A massive thanks to the whole BAYHOST team for the good work in the last years, which helped us to bring our partners in Ukraine and Poland closer to Bavarian institutions in higher education. Thank you for bridging the gaps, thank you for building up communities and for being our good friends.
Slovenia.
Happy 20th birthday, BAYHOST. You can look back on 2 decades of very successful work, and I personally thank you very much for the tremendous support I received to maintain and establish collaborations with Eastern European countries. Thank you very much.
Croatia. Serbia. Welcome to Germany. Visiting program for 300 Serbian students focused on political education, funded by the Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development. Poland.
Mein Name ist Tatjana Iwanowska, ich bin Professorin für künstliche visuelle Intelligenz an der OTH Amberg-Weiden. Ich möchte mich ganz herzlich bei BAYHOST für die ausgezeichnete Zusammenarbeit bedanken, für die interessante Seminare, Ausflüge und die gesamte professionelle Unterstützung und Engagement. Und ich freue mich sehr darauf, unsere erfolgreiche Kooperation in Zukunft weiterzuführen und dann auch ein, 40-jährigen Geburtstag von BAYHOST auch zusammen zu feiern.
Cooperation between academia and business. Initiating academic partnerships and cooperation. Grants for research stays and academic cooperation. Mobility grants for research stays for advanced students and young scientists in Bavaria or Central, Eastern and Southeastern Europe. Grants for international academic projects of Bavarian higher education institutions with their partners in Central, Eastern and Southeastern Europe. Funded Bavarian Czech projects.
Many thanks to all partners, alumni and supporters
For 20 years of BAYHOST.
We look forward to many more years of cooperation.